The Eurozone is hoping that the group of 20 nations will keep their promise of boosting the International Monetary Fund's lending resources. Now, this comes after the 17-nation single currency bloc hiked its firewall to 700 billion euros for a year. The G20 has said it will pump in more resources to the International Monetary Fund if the Eurozone pumped in more money into its bailout mechanism. The IMF wants to double its war chest by raising $600 billion, but hurdles continue to remain. Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa have demanded more bang for their money. The BRICS will only support an increase in IMF resources if they are given more say in the IMF. Eurozone policymakers, on the other hand, have issued statements calling for additional monetary support to the IMF.
It's not a specific fund or specific account for Europe. It is the recognition that, in general, for the world economy, the IMF needs to have more resources if we think about the size of what in a future emergency situation can be the needs of the IMF to fulfill its role anywhere in the world.
There must be a decision at the G20 and the IMF annual meeting on the upscaling of the resources. Well, I mean, we are now seeing a stabilization of the crisis, but obviously that would be strengthened further if we would have a broader, wider and stronger firewall.